16th sum, solve 1 upon p plus 1 upon q plus 1 upon x is equals to 1 upon x plus p plus q is equals to 0. We will transpose this term to left hand side. We will get 1 upon p plus 1 upon q plus 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus p plus q equals to 0. Now we will solve these two terms and these two terms first and then continue. So here I will multiply by q, this term I will multiply by p. So I will get q plus p upon pq plus here also same way I will multiply and divide by x plus p plus q. I will multiply and divide by x. So in the denominator I will get x into x plus p plus q. In the numerator x plus p plus q minus x equals to 0. Okay, plus x minus x 0. So what we got? P plus q upon x into x plus p plus q equals to 0. Now in both the terms p plus q is common, so we take out p plus q into 1 upon p into q plus 1 upon x into x plus p plus q is equals to 0. Open the bracket. We will get 1 upon x square plus px plus qx equals to 0. Now same way here I will multiply by this term x square plus px plus qx. This term I will multiply and divide by pq. So I get in the denominator pq into x square plus px plus q. In the numerator x square plus this term, that is x square plus px plus qx plus this one px equals to 0. Now we want to solve the equation to find the value of x. Now, so this term can't be 0, this term can't be 0, therefore this term is 0. So we get x square plus px plus qx plus pq equals to 0. Now pair first two terms, last two terms. x plus p plus q, x plus p is equals to 0. X plus p is common, so x plus p into x plus q is equals to 0. X plus p is 0 or x plus q is 0. X is minus p or x is minus q. 17th sum, solve first sum. X into x plus 1 plus x plus 2 into x plus 3 is equals to 42. First we will open the bracket. So x square plus x. This will be x square plus 5x plus 6 is equals to 42. X square plus x square 2x square. 1 plus 5 6x plus 6 minus 42 minus 36 is equals to 0. Since all the terms are divisible by 2, we divide by 2. We get x square plus 3x minus 18 is equals to 0. 1 into minus 18 minus 18. Okay, we have to split into numbers such that addition is plus 3. So plus 6 minus 3 is plus 3 and multiplication is minus 18. Therefore, x square plus 6x minus 3x minus 18 is equals to 0. In this two term, x is common, into x plus 6 minus 3 is common, into x plus 6 is equals to 0. In this two term, x plus 6 is common, into x minus 3 equals to 0. x plus 6 is 0 or x minus 3 is 0. X is equals to minus 6 or x is equals to 3. Second sum, 1 upon x plus 1 minus 2 upon x plus 2 is equals to 3 upon x plus 3 minus 4 upon x plus 4. So here in this term we will multiply and divide by x plus 2. For this term we will multiply and divide by x plus 1. So in the denominator we get x plus 1 into x plus 2. In the numerator 1 into x plus 2 minus 2 into x plus 1 is equals to same way for the right hand side. This term we will multiply by x plus 4. This term we will multiply and divide by x plus 3. So in the denominator we will get x plus 3 into x plus 4. In the numerator 3 into x plus 4 minus 4 into x plus 3. Now open the bracket in the numerator. So x plus 2 minus 2x minus 2. Right hand side 3x plus 12 minus 4x minus 12. Okay, so here x minus 2x is minus x, plus 2 minus 2 0. Same way 3x minus 4x is minus x, plus 12 minus 12 is 0. Okay, and the denominator is the same. Now take x common and cross multiply. So this term will come in the right hand side, left hand side, this term at the right hand side. So minus x plus 3 into x plus 4 is equals to x plus 1 into x plus 2. Now open the bracket. Minus x square plus 7x plus 12 is equals to x square plus 3x plus 2. Now x square get cancelled. 3x and 2 we will take this side. So 7x minus 3x is 4x. 12 minus 2 is 10 equals to 0. So now minus x is 0 or 4x plus 10 is 0. X is 0 or x equals to minus 10 upon 4, that is equals to minus 5 upon